morning students, welcome back. In our previous video we were discussing about themes of research and applications. In that we have discussed two themes. So today let's start with theme 3. Theme 3 is human behavior is caused. This is a statement. Let's prove this statement. Most psychologists believe that all human behavior can be explained in terms of causes, which are internal or external. Internal means to the organism and external means having location in the outside environment. Causal explanations are central to all sciences because without understanding them, no prediction will be possible. So psychologists look for causal explanation of behavior. They also realize that simple linear explanations such as X causing Y do not hold true. There is no one cause of behavior. So human behavior has multiple causes. Psychologists look for causal models where a set of interdependent variables are used to explain a behavior. When it is said that behavior has multiple causes, it means that it is difficult to pinpoint one cause of behavior because it may itself be caused by another variable, which in turn may be caused by some other. So that's why human behavior is caused. Next theme is theme 4. Understanding of human behavior is culturally constructed. This is a theme which has recently surfaced. There are psychologists who believe that most psychological theories and models are Euro-American in nature and therefore do not help us in understanding behaviors in other cultural settings, as psychologists from Asia, Africa and Latin America have been critical of Euro-American approaches which are propagated as universal. As we can see, there's so many theories and models, psychological theories and models are Euro-American in nature. If we apply these theories and models in Indian culture setting, so these results may be not true or right. So it's not correct it's not help us in understanding human behavior in other cultural settings. A similar critique is made by feminists who argue that psychology offers a male perspective and ignores the perspective of women. They argue in favor of dialectical approach, which will accommodate both male and female perspective in understanding human behavior. So we can say that understanding of human behavior is culturally constructed. So next theme here, we will start now. Theme 5. Theme 5 is human behavior can be controlled and modified through the application of psychological principles. We can control behavior and modify through psychological principles. Why do scientists like to know how certain events can be controlled? Maybe they physical or psychological. Their concern arises from their desire to develop techniques or methods that will improve the quality of human life. Psychologists also seek the same while applying knowledge generated by them. This often requires removal of certain difficulties or adverse conditions that individuals experience in difficult phases of their life. Consequently, psychologists make certain interventions into the lives of needy people. This applied role of psychologists has on the one hand brought some subject closer to the life of people in general than other social science subjects, and in knowing the limits of the applicability of its principles. On the other hand, this role has also been very helpful in popularizing psychology as a subject in itself. So, several independent branches of psychology have emerged that try to use psychological theories, principles and facts to diagnose, resolve problems related to industrial, organizational settings and so on. So these are some themes we have discussed today. Next time we will discuss difference between basic and applied psychology. Thank you.